Don't forget to visit www.lean6sigmaforall.eu.
Hi everybody, I'm Marie Effler from the Island COE and I'm joined here by Mark Dunley from Process Engineering. So Mark has some interesting project, very innovative, he wants to talk to us about. So Mark, what are we looking at?
Basically, we were looking at a mobile print station that gives the operator the flexibility to print and apply at the box. So currently our system is standalone, where we have a PC and printer, and that doesn't give us the flexibility for one-piece flow. So this came out of a Kaizen that was held here in Cork, led by Brian Tuig, with different members of teams from process engineering and manufacturing. I came up with the idea at the meeting, why don't we use a wireless print station? Went away with the idea, went back to the BTG group with a project proposal. Basically, I'd like to do this, what's involved in doing it? And out of that then we had a project lead from IT, Mitchell Blue from Apex in North Carolina, assisted me on the project. Dave O'Donoghue from Cork, who assisted me from an IT perspective.
So wireless printing, certainly a very good idea. Where did you get this idea from?
Innovative idea for Cork in prep and pack. So I went out to the suppliers to see if they could source one for me, and they sourced this unit, off-the-shelf unit. All I had to add to it then was a PC, a specific printer, which is smaller than our current system, and a scanner. So basically what this unit does, again, it gives the operator the flexibility to walk around. So for example here in the prep and pack area in the quarter, where we could have multiple cabs, 12 cabs, they can go and move the station, print and apply at the box level.
So Mark, tell me, the first time you went out and tried to print with the wireless printer, did it work straight away or did you have...
No, we had some challenges here, Marie, where we had to overcome. So that's the reason I got IT involved in this. Mitchell Blue assisted me from a wireless point of view. So we had a few teething issues. Here then we have a Zebra GX430 printer, specifically used for this mobile cart because it's small and compact. We also have a simple LS2008 scanner and a laptop then, which is basically our server.
So how many of these systems do you have set up at the moment in Cork?
Currently I have 3, and then I have 2 which I consider for backup for in the quarter. We currently used 1 last quarter for the on-hold process, which you see the labels behind the unit here, where we had to set up a process very quickly and efficiently. So this cart was used within the space of half an hour, straight into production, plug and play. So that's the beauty about a mobile system. With our current system, you have to get a drop for your power and your network.
So this one will be much faster to set up at the end of quarter to help you with the excess orders we may have.
Yes, and when SAP comes in July, we will have a lot of changes to our processes, and we will need this flexibility. So these mobile carts, I think, will be ideal for that. They'll also be ideal for purges. They'll also be ideal for processes where we have to set up in a matter of hours or minutes.
So Mark, now would you give us a little demonstration of the wireless printer?
I will, of course, Marie. So what I have in my hand here is a scanner and the actual documentation for this cab behind me. So we're going to start off by putting in the sales order, so we scan this in. So because it's wireless, there's a slight delay between each section, but it's not very slow, but there is a delay between each section. So the next one we actually scan in is the serial number and the model number. The next piece then is the country. And now I move to the weight, and over here on the right of me we have the weighing scales, and it's saying 101.7.5, so I have to enter that in. 101.7.5, and then I tab down, and then labels checked. That's usually by the operator, but for me I'm just going to put in my initials, MD, and then hit tab. So 5 labels then will print out, 4 usually for the boxes, and 1 then for the paperwork. As you can see, the information is printed on. So what the operator can then do, once he or she is finished printing, is basically take the label off, Okay, Marie, what we've done now, we've printed a label, put it on the box. So you've seen the functionality of the mobile cart. Works wirelessly, PC, printer and scanner, and it prints out 5 labels at a time per sales order.
Perfect. So this wireless printer, we've seen it only in operation in Cork. Mark, do you know if there are any plans to deploy this globally, like in Apex or Franklin or both?
Yes, Marie, I've already presented the presentation to the Global Process Engineering team. The next phase would be to send a demo of this to the people in Apex and Franklin. And then if they need any more information, they can contact me via mail or phone number.
Excellent. So Mark, thank you very much for sharing this with us.
Thank you, Marie. At the end of this demo, I would like to thank the people involved in the project, because without them, this would not have happened. So I'd like to thank Mitchell Blue, who was the team leader from Apex, Dave O'Donovan from Cork IT, so it's a big thank you from me personally.
Excellent. So everybody, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.